Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the maple syrup is for in Grow a Garden. So as you can see, it says gives 50 XPs to pets. So we're just going to take it out. So maple syrup, you're just going to take it out and you're going to find the pet you want to add XPs to. And you're just going to basically press the pet. It's the same as like feeding it or giving the level up lollipop to it. Here, I'll give it to the peach wasp, and it gives 50 XPs to the wasp, to the pet. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.